Go.
So this is our machine. It's the Beast machine. Our team name is UHS Lifting Simulators. My name is Phillip.
I'm Garwood.
Phillip. Steven. So this is our design brief.
Yeah, as you know, the project name is the Beast. That's the name of our machine. Our client company is going to be Life Alert. Our target consumer is anyone that cannot bench 225 pounds, because then they can't lift the object. Leading engineers, as you know, us three. Our problem statement is an old grandma cannot lift a 1,000-gram weight. 1,000-gram crock pot onto the top of her shelf, so she needs a machine to bring it up.
Oh, crock pot. Oh, okay. Now I get it.
Our design statement is we are going to create a compound gear connected to a pulley to bring up the pot. So we have some criteria and constraints. The project had to be completed in 2 weeks. We had to lift the 1 kilogram weight at least 1 foot off the ground. Another thing is we had to lift it in under 30 seconds as a time limit. It had to have an ammo of 3, and it must be under $3 million.
So we had 3 different designs, but we went with this one right here. Our first one was going to be inclined plane with a compound gear and a pulley system, where the weight was getting pulled up onto the inclined plane. And the second one right here is a compound gear.
It's like a screw turning the compound gear, and then the compound gear is higher. It just brings it up.
And this is the one we went with, where it's a compound gear connected to a wheel and axle to a spoolie, and it's getting pulled. The pulley is attached to the weight at the other end. And then we rated our different designs. The first one being the one we went with, which was the compound gear, wheel and axle spoolie, pulley. And then the second one was...
The second one was the screw and compound gear, yeah.
Screw and compound gear. And the third one was mine with the inclined plane.
The design one was much better than all our other ones by far. So.
This is our prototype. This is the final result of our machine. It costed up to $950,000, and here's a demonstration of it.
That under 30 seconds?
Yeah, it was 27 seconds.
And that's our demonstration. So here's the calculations of it. So on the left side is our IMA. This is how we found it out by the pulley was one IMA, and then the wheel and axle that was connected from the handle, well, not from the handle, from the spoolie and then to the compound gear was 4.6 by calculating the wheel over that axle. So that's how we got 4.6. Our compound gear is a combination of our teeth output over input. We got 3.5 IMA, and then the wheel and axle connected to our compound gear from our handles was at 4 IMA. And then our AMA is the force resistance. Over the force effort was 11.8 per AMA. Efficiency will be at 64.1%. If we included the compound gear, we will be at 18.3%. And that's the Beast machine.
Okay, go ahead and do a presentation of it here. Let's do an in-life real demonstration, moment of truth. See if someone can put a ruler up there, and
Alright, we're doing the ruler.
there's a ruler out there somewhere, I think. You go off to the side so I can see what's happening. All right. Are we ready?
Yeah.
Okay, we're timing it. There we go. 30 seconds. There it is. Okay, nice job.